Let's see how to fix the ARK Survival Ascended won't start or not launching. ARK Survival Ascended is a popular open world survival game that immerses players in a prehistoric world filled with the dinosaurs and other prehistoric creatures. However, like any game, ARK Survival Ascended is not immune to issues and the errors. One common issue is that the players have reported the game not starting or not launching. This can be frustrating, especially if you have been looking forward to playing the game. Okay, so in this particular video, we'll see how to fix the ARK Survival Ascended won't start or not launching. The first method is check for the updates. Make sure that the ARK Survival Ascended is up to date. Outdated softwares can cause the compatibility issues with your system. To check for the updates, open Steam and go to your library. Right click on the ARK Survival Ascended and then select Properties. Okay, so then go to the Local Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the game files. Steam will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them if necessary. The second method is check the system requirement. Make sure that the system meets the minimum requirement or to run the ARK Survival Ascended. The minimum requirement are listed on the game Steam page. If your system does not meet the minimum requirement, you may need to upgrade your hardware or software. The third method is disable the antivirus software. Whatever the antivirus what you have installed in your system can be disabled in order to get rid of this error. Okay, because these kind of antivirus treats these kind of applications as a spam or a malicious software. And the fourth method is update the graphic card drivers. Okay, so outdated or the corrupted graphic card drivers can cause the issues with the launching game. Make sure that you have the latest graphic card drivers installed on your system. You can check for the updates by going to your graphic card manufacturer website and download the latest drivers for your specific graphic card model. The fifth method is run as administrator. It's possible that the ARK Survival Ascended does not have the necessary permission to launch properly. Try running the game as an administrator by right-clicking on the game's shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. Then try launching the game and see if the issue has been resolved. The sixth method is reinstall the game. If none of the above solutions work, try reinstalling the ARK Survival Ascended. The first uninstall the game by going to the Steam library, right-click on the game and then select Uninstall. Okay, so this is how we can get rid of this particular error, and we can also fix ARK Survival Ascended won't start or not launching. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.